What a life, it's a lifestyle. Maybe you should come and bear with me. Ooh. Press play, you should bear with me.
Bear with me.
Hello babes and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here today because we are trying out a new indie brand that I had just recently discovered on TikTok, and it is Unicorn Gang Shop. They have some really cute and snazzy stuff. Their brand is really creative and it's also eco-friendly, which I am super psyched about. So if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. If you don't know me, my name is Bear Campbell. I am a makeup artist, an actor, model, creative, and YouTuber. So if you want to subscribe to my channel for beauty related content, then go ahead and do so. Let's just get into it. So bear with me as we try out Unicorn Gang Shop.
What a life, it's a lifestyle. Maybe you should come and bear with me. Ooh. Press play, you should bear with me.
So I have my box here and it came with a really sweet note. It says, Unicorn Gang cares. Your order was mindfully packaged using eco-friendly packaging. Yes, thank you! In an effort to support sustainability. Boxes are created from post-consumer waste and is both biodegradable and recyclable. We also aim to use vegetable-based inks on any of our printing. So please reuse your packaging if at all possible and enjoy your goodies. And then there's a little handwritten note that says, thank you. I hope these spark something in you and let me know if you like them. Stay unique, XOXO. I just thought that was really cute. And let's get into the good stuff. So this is Unicorn Gang Shop's Secrets of the Fae eyeshadow palette. And when you take the packaging off, look at this art. Look at it. Just look at it. Oh my gosh. It is really so pretty and incredible. I love the packaging. I just think the art is so cute. This little fae creature is just gorgeous and I'm obsessed. I love her. This is the back if you're curious what that looks like. So when you open her up, it says, though they may go unseen by most, their magic sparkles in nature. And I am obsessed with that quote. These are the eyeshadow colors. I'm super excited to get to play with these. Oh, isn't it just beautiful? That's the eyeshadow palette, and then I have two different lipsticks here. I'm gonna open these up for you. But look at the packaging! Again, the packaging is just so cute! I'm really, really dying. Ah! Oh my god! So anyway, like I said, I am really dying over this packaging. I just think it's so freaking cute. So let's open her up. Okay. These are the lipsticks. I just love the way that this bottle is designed. This is the shade Alchemy. This is the shade Alchemy. Here is another one. And this is the shade Coven. It's a nice, dark, moody neutral, a deep rose. And I like that. It's another cute lipstick called Unicorn Treats. And look at this packaging. It is literally so cute. So I got a blue for y'all. And you twist open the top of this here. And then boop, the lipstick comes out. I hope y'all see that pretty well. So I will swatch this blue as well. And just look at that. It's a little sheer, but that's okay. We can build her up. But that is what she looks like. I think the shade's on the bottom here. Yeah, this is the shade Mayhem. I can already tell you that I love this brand just from the creativity of the art style, the branding, and the packaging. Okay, I want to play with this eyeshadow palette. But first, I'm going to try to take off the swatches off my hand because they're cute, but I don't want them there. First, I'm going to dip into Light Weaver, which is this little like champagne color here. And I'm just going to dust underneath my brow with this. And also in the inner corner. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. So I'm going to dip into Oberon, which is this little green shade here. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush. This is number 105. I can already tell you that the eyeshadow quality is good. So I'm very happy about that. Okay, and it's gonna look a little messy until we get to the end. So, you know, trust the process. Now I'm going to dip into Siren and I'm going to stick that again in the socket, but more towards the center. And I'm blending this in to that green shade we just put on. Again, same brush because I am lazy, and we're building from lighter to darker, so it doesn't quite matter so much for the blend anyway. And I'm going into Titania, which is this deep navy. I'm putting this on the outer third of my eye, where we have been blending it in with the socket, but then I'm lifting upwards as I blend this out. Time to cut the crease. I'm using a flat brush here. This is from Pure Cosmetics. It's number P50. And I'm dipping into a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape that I put on my hand. And a trick I learned to cut the crease is to put a little bit on your lid and then look up. And then where you see a little bit of transfer is where you cut it. So you just want to make sure you're being precise. I just grabbed a Becca highlighter so I could have a mirror up close. For the inner corner of my lid, I'm going in with Foxglove, that matte purple shade. I'm using a brush from Royal and Langnickel, BMD 410, and I'm gonna put this. Wow, I didn't realize she was gonna be this pigmented. Okay. Go off. I'm trying to confine her to the very inner corner and not go too far out. Okay. That's so fun. I'm wiping off some of that product. I'm going in again with the same brush because I'm lazy. I'm dipping into Utopia, which is that sparkly purple shade. I guess shimmery is the better terminology. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful. And I'm just sitting this right on top. Next up is Druid. That's that bright shimmery blue shade. With another flat brush, this, I actually don't know who this brand is from, but it is a flat shading brush. Wow, this shade is also really pretty. And I'm packing it on a little bit on the purple and a little bit off. That way we get a pretty blend. So pretty. I cleaned off the brush and I flipped it over to the other side and I'm dipping into the shade Newt, which is this like darker green. It's also another shimmer shade. And I'm just gonna keep working this out. It's a little bit darker on the skin than it is in the pan, but I don't mind, it's still really pretty. And now I'm going back in with Druid, that shimmery blue, and I'm just sitting this on top so we get a better transition and a little more oomph. I have a little bit of fallout happening, so I'm just trying to get it off. Not too much, nothing ridiculous. I just, decided to put on my base before doing this look, so of course you're gonna get a little bit, but really nothing out of control. I'm gonna go in again with Utopia, that shimmery purple, and put that underneath the inner corner of my eye, underneath. And then I'm dipping into Moss, and I'm putting that underneath my eye. I'm sort of blending it upwards into this wing that we've built. All right, I've used every shade. Nice. I'm going back in with Lightweaver. I'm going underneath the brow, and I'm using a Sigma Detailed Diffuse Crease brush in E33. Also going in the inner corner, almost like excessively. To add to the fantasy of this look, I'm going in with Kaleido's Comet Catcher. It is a really pretty and supernatural highlight. I mean, it is just intense. I'm going in on the inner corner, and now I'm taking a bigger face brush and I'm going in for my highlight. Keep it up, I'm going in with Lovecraft Beauty's highlight palette. This is Aurora and Borealis. I'm gonna mix the two and just keep highlighting. I know we're doing a look based off of all of the Unicorn Gang things, but I just want to add a little bit of fun to this. So I'm going in with the ColourPop's On Cloud Blue palette, and there's a shade in here in the middle. It's called D-Light, and it's a really nice, like, wet, chunky glitter. So I'm just going to put that on my lid. I just feel like this look needed some glitter. I think I'm gonna carry the glitter all the way through. I'm going to tightline with this eyeliner from Trestique. All right, I just put on a couple of gems and eyelashes. And now we're gonna get into the lip products. I'm not sure if I wanna go full blue crazy or to do one of the more neutral tones, but I think I'm gonna go in with the neutral one because the eye look is so prominent. I'm going to go in with Alchemy, and first I'm gonna line my lips. I'm lining my lips with a liner from Ace Beauty. This lipstick smells really good too. The formula feels really nice on the lip. She looks great, but just for my sake, I want to add a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going in with Ciate London's Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. And just dabbing that on my lips, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. And now I'm going in with Aurora from that Lovecraft Beauty highlight palette. I'm going to pat that on the lip as well. There we go. And now I'm gonna add a gloss. This is Wet Cherry Gloss from Lime Crime. All right, babes, that is it for today's video. I hope you like the way the look turned out. I will leave a link down in the description if you want to check out Unicorn Gang Shop. Not an affiliate link, but you should definitely get your paws on this product. I think they're really, really awesome, and they're a great company. I can't wait to see how much they grow. If you liked today's video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
What a life, it's a lifestyle. Maybe you should come in bed with me. Ooh.